Hello friends, today what we are going to do is, if you are not able to do push-ups, then try these 4 exercises at home to strengthen your hands, and also there is a bonus tip to do push-ups. Okay, so watch this video completely and get benefited. Let's begin. If you are new to this channel, this is Sundaram and this channel is almost everything about yoga. If you are interested in these topics, click the subscribe button and bell icon as well as select the option all, so that you will get notified every time we are uploading interesting videos and essential healthy tips. Okay, our first posture is plank. Come to high plank position and stay here for 30 seconds. Always look straight while doing plank, never look downwards. Also keep your hip in a line. Don't let it downwards or don't take it up. Stay in this straight position for 30 seconds. After staying here for 30 seconds, slowly come to half plank position and stay here for 30 seconds with the same caution which I have set for high plank. Plank is the one which helps you to build up your shoulders, hands, arms as well as the core. Slowly after the staying for 30 seconds, relax in Sasangasana. Our second posture is Bhujangasana push-up. Just lie down on your stomach, keep your hands beside your chest. Now slowly we are going to just lift our stomach from the floor. And we are going to do this push-up. Keep in mind that you need to take your stomach from the floor, but your spine should always be straight. Never do like this or never do like this. Okay, your spine should always be straight. Do this push-up for 10 to 20 times. Just lift your upper body and do this for 10 to 20 times. After doing for 10 to 20 times, come to our third posture, which is Matsya Kridasana. Just interlock your hands like this, keep your toes alone in the floor and walk in as much as possible, and never bend your knees in this. Keep your knees erect. Now you can stay in this posture if you are not able to go forward and come. First stay in this posture for 10 seconds. If you are comfortable enough, then you can try this. Just exhale and go for inhale and go forward. Exhale and come backwards. Inhale and go forward. Exhale and come forward. This is the best one to improve your shoulders. Okay, and the last one is knee push-up. Just place your knees on the floor, and now we are going to do push-ups. Just inhale and go down. Exhale and come up. If you are not able to do this knee push-up, you can try even with wall. After, when you are comfortable with wall push-up, then you can come to the knee push-ups. But always keep in mind that your spine should be straight. Only then you will be getting the efforts in your arms. If not, your push-up is merely waste. So just do knee push-up for 10 to 20 times. Okay, before seeing the bonus tip to do push-up, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment box below, or you can also DM to our Instagram page personally. Links are available in the description box. You can also follow me over there. There also you can find some amazing content. Okay, tips to do push-ups. First, come to the plank position, then slowly go down. Slowly, as much as possible, go slow. Okay, come up and go slow as much as possible. Slowly, 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 as much as possible. Try these for 10 times. After that, go down with inhalation. Go down with inhalation and hold here. Hold here. When you stay here for 10 to 20 seconds or even 30 seconds. Okay, after that slowly drop it down. Practice these for few days. Once you are comfortable enough and feeling that you can stay here for longer duration, then try this one. Go with inhalation, hold your breath here, exhale and push the ground hardly. That will bring you up. Breathing plays a key role in this push-up, but most of the people won't talk about this, and many people, they do push-up but they don't even notice this. So next time while you're doing, try this. Also keep in mind that nothing comes in overnight, but increasing a few percentage of improvement every day can give you a great result in few days. So if you are still enjoying this video, smash the like button and also share this video to all your friends who need to complete this push-up. Subscribe and stay connected with us for more interesting videos. Bye bye. Take care.